Every master pizzaiolo, those top-tier pizza artisans, know the secret to creating legendary pizza. And it's not just about the dough or the oven, it's the water. New York City's water has a unique mineral makeup that gives dough its perfect texture. Crispy, chewy, just right. That's why New York pizza is hands down the best in the country. If you're opening up a pizzeria or already running one, you know the importance of using top-quality ingredients. But here's the thing. If you're not in New York, getting that exact water is tough, and shipping it? Not exactly cost-effective. That's where the New York Watermaker comes in. For just $13 a day, you can have the same water that makes New York pizza famous, right from your tap. No more shipping costs, no more hassle. Just pure, authentic New York water whenever you need it. Even Dave Portnoy from Barstool's OneBite Pizza Review has rated every pizzeria using the New York Watermaker an 8.1 or above. Why? Because when you use the best water, you make the best pizza. It's that simple.
This is the best college pizza, campus pizza I've ever had. 8-1. It's a legit 8-1. This is a stunning development in the snow and the sleet in Toledo, Ohio. In Mac country, I just found the best college pizza I've ever had. Let's go see if we can get this water filter.
So, if you're serious about your craft and want your pizzeria to be known for top-notch pizza, the New York Watermaker is a game changer. Elevate your dough, elevate your pizza, and bring the taste of New York to your customers, no matter where you are.
I'm from Brooklyn. We make good pizzas. You need Brooklyn water. I'm so happy to hear that they got it.